WTI. If you want to experience one of the most luxurious night's sleep, then you have to invest in one of these silk-filled comforters from Cuddle Dreams. I have never felt anything this buttery, soft, smooth, and silky before. I'm telling you, I literally cannot wait to crawl into bed every night ever since we got this. So I'm sure you're wondering what sets this comforter apart from all the others, right? Well, it's this 100% silk filling. I wish you could just feel what I'm feeling right now through the video. I don't think I've ever felt anything this soft before. And then it's covered up with this sheer cotton gauze that zips up to keep everything inside. You guys, this comforter is so lightweight, it's breathable, and if you're a hot sleeper like us, you will love how it keeps you cool during the night. So we got the king size in this beautiful celadon color. I love how there's plenty of overhang on each side of our bed. And don't make fun of me, but it literally took me a solid minute to find the duvet zipper when I first got this. Check out this seamless zipper design. I personally love duvets because they're so easy to launder, and this one's great because it has 8 different areas that you can tie a knot to keep the insert from shifting around. This duvet is truly high-end, from the double stitching and piping detail around every corner to the comfort and coziness that it provides. I feel like royalty sleeping with this comforter. They aren't kidding when they say this truly is the dreamiest comforter you will ever experience. You've got to give it a shot for yourself, but that's just my point of view.